Gold on the rise this week. We're going to find out why with Jim Wyckoff on this week's Technically Speaking, coming up. And joining me now is Jim Wyckoff. Jim, how's it going?
Hi, Alex. Always nice to be with you.
All right, Jim, let's kick it off with the news that's making the rounds this morning. That's the civil war in Iraq. Now, obviously, this has had an effect on oil. Do you see any effect with gold prices?
Yeah, Alex, the unrest in Iraq has boosted crude oil prices, and it's also given gold a bit of a safe haven bid. I think the marketplace is concerned with the present condition, but I think the bigger concern would be if there would be a contagion effect from the violence in Iraq, maybe spreading to Syria or other oil-producing nations. That's been seen in the recent past. When you get unrest in one country, it kind of breeds unrest in other countries. So I think the marketplace is a bit concerned about that. But you're seeing a safe haven bid in gold, partly due to the Iraq situation.
Now, we've seen a pop in prices this week. Gold has been kind of hammered the last couple of weeks. What do you see helping the metal track upwards?
We are seeing some short covering coming in. We're seeing some bargain hunting buying. The technical posture still is overall bearish, but we've seen a rebound. We've rebounded about $25 or $30 off the recent low. So the bulls have gained some near-term technical momentum, but they certainly need to show more power soon to suggest we can sustain a price uptrend.
All right, Jim, let's switch over to PGMs quickly. Now, I know you don't focus on PGMs as much as you focus on gold and silver, but we've all seen the rise of palladium, platinum somewhat. Now, with the potential deal with the strikes in South Africa coming to a possible end release today, I've seen a lot of notes from analysts saying that maybe people are jumping from PGMs back into gold. Do you see this as a possibility?
Yeah, Alex, that's certainly plausible. When it gets right down to the basics in investing and trading, it's a money game, and if money is coming out of the platinum and palladium markets, and those traders and investors are leaning toward precious metals assets, it could very well be that some of that money is going into the gold market.
Now, Jim, summer is on the way. The doldrums are on the way. Now, outside of geopolitics, what do you see maybe moving gold prices during the summer months?
It's a good question, Alex. I talked about this in my reports that are on Kitco, but the bull run in the U.S. stock market as well as other world markets continues. New record highs or multi-year highs this week. However, these bull market runs in the stock indexes are very mature. The vast majority of the real estate on the upside has probably already been achieved. It's my bias that these stock indexes are probably going to peak sooner rather than later. And as I talked about just a moment ago, it's a money game. When money starts to flow out of the stock market, and it will at some point, you're going to see competing asset classes like hard asset, the gold market, raw commodities benefit from that money flow.
And with that, Jim, let's take it over to your Wyckoff market ratings for the week.
Alex, I'm giving a gold Wyckoff's market rating of 3.5. That's still in the bearish camp, although an improvement from last week. Solid overhead support. The resistance for August gold is located at 1278. Solid support at 1240. Giving a Wyckoff's market rating for May silver of 3. That's firmly in the bearish camp, although silver has made a move itself. New 3-week high as we speak. The bulls have more work to do in the silver market also, though, to suggest an uptrend can be sustained. We've got solid technical support in July silver at $19. Solid overhead resistance at $19.50.
Excellent, Jim. Thanks for your time today.
Thank you, Alex. Bye-bye.
And thank you for watching this edition of Technically Speaking. And before we cut off, we have the World Cup starting this afternoon. Kitco News Pool has Spain. A couple of people think they're going to take it. Italy, a couple of people. Mexico, England, and Brazil. No love for the U.S. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.